Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to check when you joined on Discord. So first of all, launch your Discord and you will need to copy your ID. So click on user settings and scroll down and click on advanced, and from here make sure to turn on developer mode. After enabling this developer mode, you will be able to copy your ID. So now open a server and right click on your profile and click on copy ID. Open a new tab and open this website, and you will get this website URL in video description below. After opening this website, enter here your Discord ID and click on check the date, and here you will find the date you created your Discord account. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.